I don't come again no make una dey see am o. See as the riverine area suppose be o. See as e suppose be o. Make una ask all this elite o. Wetin happen? You know how much money wey government dey pack here? Money wey government dey pack here, foreigners dey come here dey see all these things because of say the environment dey good. You know see how everywhere clean. If I tell you na all these places why dey waka on water dey under, dey waka on top o. See road. If road get crash here, just something say e happen, dem go throw am, dem go spoil all of them. See this one wey you dey see so, see am. This one wey you dey see so, wey dem put say na magnista, that place na shopping mall be o. See na york to all these ones. You go see many ship. You know how much money to only to anchor your ship make e sleep here. You know how much money wey you go dey pay government? Government for here no get anything. Na from tax dem dey take gain their money, from resources wey dem get. And you yourself, you get all these things wey be nothing. We get am everywhere for Igbo land, no be only for Igbo land sef. Riverine area, those people wey say dem be just say dem no be Biafran people. See am, you go dey see both fish sef for water dey waka im own. You go see fish, you no see people here dey enjoy. You go dey see fish, nobody go touch am because you no get right to fish am. You no see fish dey waka there so. Understand? You no fit touch am. Dem go taste any fish wey come here because of that fish wey you dey see so, wey dey waka for that water. I go show una more. Na because of that things, only that fish wey you see dey waka from big sea come here. Na im dey dry. Na im dey bring visitors come here. Na im dey bring foreigners come. Understand? Na im dey bring tourists come. You know how much money wey ticket be? See am. Una go see am. Make una see here. Una go see na fish full there. Na fish full all of there. Una dey see am. Una dey see am how oyibo dey do things. Na so riverine area suppose be. No be so dem go come pollute everywhere. Everything wey una get. See, una don see am. That place na hotel. This one na hotel. Here na hotel full everywhere. Make una see am. Una no go ask all these people question. Every day dem go take cry for una say on my mandate, which yeye mandate be that one. Una go tell am say if una wan mandate, make una go build everywhere. If e don be like this, una go carry mandate to give them. See am o. Make una begin to dey ask all this una government. All of them dey come here, come dey enjoy you. See una no see am. Na yacht full everywhere. Una no see them. Many of them na governor their pikin dey hang inside here. They enjoy their life. Where you dey there, you no get better water sef to drink o. Say make I still let una know. Make una dey see am dey go. You know see am. Better thing good o. Better thing good o. Make una cry. People wey dey riverine area, make una say una enough na enough. Enough is enough. Make una no listen to all these people wey dey deceive people anyhow. Understand? Show you go people. You know how much money wey dem dey make, wey dem no get anything only from tax. People wey dey come visit all these things. Fish why dey show you there inside water. My brother. Abeg make una subscribe to this station. Abeg, make una subscribe. Drop your comment. Tell me wetin you think about all these videos why they show now. Abeg make una drop una comment for there. Thank you for now.